is Dr. Rick Goodman, President of Advantage Continuing Education Seminars, your #1 place for all your continuing education credits on the net. Now you can do your continuing education credits in the convenience of your home, car, office, or even in your own backyard. All of our programs are on CD, MP3, on demand, teleconference, and webinars, so it's more convenient than ever before. You can get your credits in any of our different divisions. Our legal division for CLEs, accounting for CPEs, HR credits, construction credits, sales and marketing. You can get them all at one right stop. So just go to www.Advantage Continuing Education Seminars or call us on our toll-free number at 888-267-6097 and get started today.